Welcome back to the channel. It's Brent here, from Retail Recon, and today, we're diving into a topic that is absolutely top of mind for me and I'm sure many of you: smart home security systems. Use the latest technology to guard your home where safety and security are non-negotiable. We've got an exciting twist today. Stay tuned until the end because we've got not one, but two bonus reviews that will elevate your game. You won't want to miss these hidden gems. So, let's dive into our top 5, starting with our top pick. Starting our list is the Ring Alarm 5-piece kit, which is an excellent entry point if you're new to smart home security systems. One of the most notable features of this kit is its ease of installation. You can set it up yourself without the need for any professional assistance, saving you both time and money. The system is fully controllable via the Ring app, so you can monitor your home right from your smartphone. It's also designed to work seamlessly with other Ring and Alexa-enabled devices. This feature is perfect for those who are already in the Amazon ecosystem. For those interested in professional support, there's an option for 24/7 monitoring, giving you that extra layer of security. Next up, we have the Nest Secure Alarm System. This system is particularly user-friendly, featuring an easy-to-understand interface that's perfect for people who might not be tech-savvy. In terms of flexibility, the Nest Secure stands out. You can arm and disarm the system using the Nest Tag, the Nest app, or even a traditional passcode. This offers unparalleled ease of use and customization for each family member. Additionally, it provides optional 24/7 professional monitoring. To top it off, this system has built-in Google Assistant support, allowing you to control your system with just your voice, which is a big bonus for those already invested in the Google ecosystem. Coming in at number 3 is the SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless home security system. This is a comprehensive system that provides room-to-room protection, ensuring all key areas of your home are covered. What sets SimpliSafe apart is its affordability. It offers a robust system without breaking the bank. And you don't have to sacrifice security features for the price point, as it also provides 24/7 professional monitoring with police dispatch. One more thing to note is its customization options. You can easily add more sensors and cameras to the system as your needs evolve. Fourth on our list is the Abode Essential Starter Kit, a modular system that can be easily expanded to fit your needs. What sets this system apart is the no-contract monitoring options, allowing you the flexibility to choose the level of professional monitoring you need without getting tied down to a long-term commitment. The system also comes with a robust mobile app, giving you complete control over your security settings. And if you're someone who uses multiple smart home ecosystems, you'll be pleased to know that Abode is compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and even Apple's HomeKit. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the Arlo Pro 3 Spotlight camera system. This system truly excels in offering high-definition surveillance with its 2K resolution video capture. Not only do you get crystal-clear images, but the camera system also features a built-in spotlight and color night vision, ensuring that you can see what's happening around your property at any time, day or night. One of the standout features of this system is its wire-free installation. You won't have to mess around with complicated wiring. Simply place the cameras where you need them and you're good to go. Another exceptional feature is the two-way audio, allowing you to hear and speak to visitors through the cameras. And let's not forget about its smart notifications feature. You can set the system to alert you for specific things like people, vehicles, and animals, reducing false alarms. Don't click away just yet. We've got two special bonus reviews that might just tip the scales for you. Bonus 1. The Echo Dot smart speaker with clock and Alexa is not just a speaker. It's a versatile addition to any smart home setup. This Echo Dot comes with a built-in clock, which is great for bedside placement. But what makes it particularly useful for home security is its ability to sync with Alexa-enabled devices, giving you voice-activated controls over your entire security system. Plus, it comes with a sleek design that will complement any room's decor. Bonus 2. The Google Nest Hub with Google Assistant is a control center for all your Google smart home devices. The display is top-notch, offering you step-by-step management of your home security system. You can even watch live feeds from your security cameras, all in one convenient place. Alright, that wraps up our review for today. If any of these products caught your eye, you can find the purchase links in the description below. If this video was helpful, please hit that subscribe button to support our channel. We've got a lot more amazing reviews coming your way. This is Retail Recon, signing off.